Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Baseinu token. Name of the token is Base, and then a space, and then Inu, and ticker symbol is Baseinu, all one word. Now this is hilarious because the token is called Baseinu, so you would expect it to what? Be on the base chain, especially since the picture of the dog there for the profile picture there is blue. But guess what? It's on the Binance Smart Chain. Isn't that weird? Binance Smart Chain tokens seem to do that a lot. They'll be called like Solana Inu and it'll be on the Binance Smart Chain. I've seen this many times, but here we are. This token is called Baseinu and is on BSC scan. Maybe they're planning cross-chain or they are cross-chain. We'll have to find out on their webpage when we dive deep into this project. But I don't know. Looks maybe like it's just on the Binance Smart Chain. But yeah, we're going to go over the information on this token. It's getting a brand new central exchange listing on a big exchange. So we're going to go over that as well. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says Baseinu is a decentralized experiment dog-themed coin. Baseinu is the #1 Inu on the Binance Smart Chain and the friendly face of the chain. Baseinu isn't just a dog coin, it's a community-driven power aiming for success. So, I mean, just reading that there, it seems like this is translated. You know, I have no idea what country this token is from. On their Twitter, it says France, but yeah, I mean, you never know unless like their team is fully doxed and all that type of stuff. Now, it was just announced here. It says Baseinu coin, a decentralized dog experiment themed coin, is coming to Mexc Global, and they will be listed tomorrow, May 2nd, 8 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Baseinu, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, according to their BSC scan, it actually says base and then space Inu is the ticker symbol as well. So there is no all one word when it comes to the actual BSC scan. But on Mexc, their ticker symbol is Baseinu, all one word. There's 18 decimal places on this token. It says there's a max total supply of 98 million Baseinu tokens. And it says 3 holders. So it's not even available on Pancakeswap. I'd assume that maybe it will be in the future. They might go over to Pancakeswap since this is a Binance Smart Chain token. But if it does and you want to get it over there, you could always fund your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and trade your BSC for the Baseinu token using the contract address that you could find somewhere. I don't even see it on their official webpage. Oh, it looks like they do have a white paper. Let's open that up here to see if that actually works. They do have a 3-page white paper. And the contract address is not on there either. The only place you could really find the contract address that I've seen is if you go over to their Mexc Global announcement. You click on that, and then it'll show you the contract address. So anyways, that's where I found it. But it's not even on their webpage or white paper, which is Strange when tokens do that. Now, there is a Kickstarter event you can get involved with prior to the MEXC global listing where you vote with MX tokens to win airdrops. There's a reward pool of 50,000 USDT, so check that out. And they don't have a Telegram. On their webpage, I tried to click on the Telegram, doesn't work, so they're in the works of getting a Telegram. Their Twitter joined in March 2023. They have a link to their webpage right on the Twitter there. BaseinuCrypto.com is their webpage. Their Twitter is at BaseinuCoin. 85 tweets, 7,160 followers. And so on their white paper, it says Baseinu is a community-driven token, dog-themed token. And it says the ticker symbol is BINU. So another error on their white paper there. BINU they're calling it, but that is not the ticker symbol. I hate it when tokens can't even get their own ticker symbol right. Now it says there's zero tax, so if this does go to decentralized exchanges, they're claiming that there's no slippage, no tax. So the cryptocurrency domain is a diverse and dynamic arena. Within the space, meme coins have emerged as a cultural force. Baseinu is introducing the quintessential embodiment of that spirit in the heart of the, it says Ethereum blockchain. Now technically I guess it is part of the Ethereum network, but it's on the Binance Smart Chain, so I don't know why they're saying Ethereum network now. Again, this white paper is just aggravating me. I don't even know if I want to read it all. It's mostly just saying that they are things like the meme king of the Ethereum blockchain, yada, yada, yada. Tokenomics, it says 1 trillion supply. Now, that's not even right. So their entire white paper is basically wrong. Isn't that nice? I would definitely take this token with an entire grain of salt and 20,000 more grains of salt after that, because everything on their white paper is completely wrong. It says they're on the Ethereum blockchain. It says they have 1 trillion supply. It says their ticker symbol is BINU. It's talking about swapping your Ethereum in a compatible wallet and all this type of stuff. And there's basically no other information besides that on their on their white paper besides meme information. On their webpage, it says they're trying to be the meme king. Meme king is all one word for some reason. And at least they say BNB chain, no taxes, total supply is all right on their webpage. Talks about how to get this token. Switch your base BNB for Baseinu. Your base BNB. Interesting. I'm like, what? What are we even talking about here? Yes. Take this token with a grain of salt because I just went through all the info. They don't have an audit. They don't have a KYC. And basically almost everything is incorrect. So, awesome. Awesome. I'm glad I reviewed this token. What a success. What a good time. Go check this token out. I'm not a financial advisor. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? For some reason, it's smoking a cigarette too with glasses. Why is this dog smoking a cigarette? I have no idea. Leave a comment down there. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.